guys, welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we are making cashew chicken. This recipe is so easy to make. It normally takes me less than 30 minutes to put together, and it's full of flavor. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Guys, for this recipe I am using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I like to go in and remove the excess fat because we do not need that for this recipe. And we're just going to cut them into small bite pieces. So this is the size I'm using. So what I'm going to do now is season our chicken thighs with some adobo seasoning, onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and white pepper. Now go ahead and give that a good mix. Now we are going to crack 1 egg in a bowl. And we are going to mix this really well. Now pour your egg over the chicken and give that a good mix. Now take your cornstarch and add it to your chicken. Give that a mix. This is how our chicken are looking after adding in the cornstarch. So you'll end up with a sticky chicken, and that's exactly what you're looking for. After preparing our chicken over medium-high heat, we are going to add some oil to our frying pan. We are going to wait until this gets nice and hot before we add in our chicken. So now we're going to add in our chicken, and we're going to fry them until they're nice and golden. So about 7 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, go ahead and remove your chicken and place them on a platter. And continue the same process with the rest. While our chicken is cooking, we are going to start with our sauce. So I have some chicken broth in here, and I'm going to add my minced garlic, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame seed oil, brown sugar. Now go ahead and give that a good mix and make sure that the sugar is fully dissolved, guys. Now take your cornstarch and add it to your sauce. So this is how our sauce is looking, guys. So go ahead and set this aside and we'll continue cooking our chicken. Now we're going to turn down our heat after removing our chicken, and take your cashew and we're going to place it right in here. So after 1 minute, we are going to add our sauce. We are going to allow this to thicken. After it has thickened, go ahead and take your chicken and add it in. Now it's time to add in our scallions, so go ahead and chop that in here. After adding in our scallions, we're just going to allow this to cook for another 1 minute. Okay guys, my cashew chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? I know your mouth is watering. I am gonna go serve this with some steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.